All right. Well, fun fact is I am in Florida right now, but not while I'm filming this. So, what good am I as a technology coach if I can't use technology to present something to you guys? So, in case you don't mind, I'm going to take a drink from my tiers of students. Today, I'm just going to go over some quick things as far as technology goes, and kind of like what our goal is as a school. So yeah, your guys' greatest fear, right? Elon Musk. If you like him, then you like him. Okay, so as far as our goals for this year go, I am going to try to meet with every single department twice this year. This school year. And so the purpose of that is kind of to figure out what you guys feel like would be a good goal for your department, right? Every department's different. The PE department's going to be different than the business department, than the facts department, than math, right? Everyone's going to be a little bit different. So as far as this year goes, a lot of this is going to be just meeting up and figuring out some sort of roadmap or plan on what direction we should be going. How did that get on there? I don't know. But this is from flight school. Okay, future plans. So in the future, we are planning on trying to really get technology in the classroom, right? This isn't new. We've been using Canvas and lots of different resources. The district has spent a lot of money on different things to try to allow us to be able to teach using technology. There's definitely pros and cons, right? I think that's a whole nother debate to have. But as far as the future plans with the district goes, there's a lot of things that will be coming out as far as what we need to do with technology, right? And my goal and the school's goal is to really help everyone have the support that they need, right? And also the training. But also a lot of this, I think, is going to be some brainstorming and figuring out what's working in different classrooms. I've already used a couple different teachers' ideas, and I've found a lot of success with some of the things that we're doing. I'm really interested in the whole self-directed learning, and I've been learning that in some of my classes, and self-directed learning is really cool, and that's something that we can have discussions about to figure out what that looks like for everyone. Okay. Oh, wow, Danny, do you work out? So I just wanted to end on a positive note. I know that I feel like I saw a post the other day that was talking about basically all these things that we're getting asked to do as teachers. And sometimes it comes off as a little overwhelming, right? And I'm a firm believer that if you focus on those things like the overwhelmingness or the negative thing or whatever, if you focus on that it's going to just keep compounding and you're going to notice every little thing. It's like that saying, if you're looking for a yellow car, you're going to see so many yellow cars out there, right? And so kind of flipping it, things that we're grateful for. So you guys can think about some things that you're grateful for. For me, I'm grateful that I get to work with these kids and these students, right? I feel like every day I come to work, there's going to be something new, something different. And I mean, my students care about me as much as I care about them. And I feel like that's the same for every single one of you guys. You guys have students that you connect with, and they need you in their lives, right? And so I'm super grateful for being able to be in a school that really values the respect and relationships that we're able to have with them. And just end on a Colonel Sanders note. So I think Jim said he's buying everyone KFC at the end of the day, so make sure that you follow up with that. Have a good day.